gonna get this link out. It looks like you need something like this to hold the top. And then 14 millimeter on the bottom. It's basically a bolt, and then top piece is the nut. And the replacement one, it's multiple components, so you're going to have to basically pull that off, that off, and then run that up from the bottom through there, put that on. It may not come out very well on film, we shall see. And then that down in the rod. And then washer upside down, bushing, push through there. This is definitely not an easy one-person trying to film type job, but basically once you get it like that, you can jack it up. And hopefully you'll have enough room with the bushing in the washer on there. Bushing. Washer. And that. And honestly, I need some Loctite. Alright, it looks like it is on. I put Loctite on there. I haven't checked the torque spec yet. Alright, that's the piece that came out. You see the top. It's a nut that's basically integrated there. So and then this middle piece is one. I typically like to keep stuff like this together and save it at least for a while. See how I like the new ones, but these being 20 years old are pretty shot, so probably not worth saving. If I read correctly, this one is only 81 inch-pounds, which divided by 12 is what, like 7 foot-pounds or so. So that doesn't sound like much. Yeah, that's already clicking. I don't think that doesn't feel tight at all. I'd almost be worried that that's going to come off. So I'm going to have to double check and make sure that's the right torque, because that basically 7 foot-pounds does not sound at all correct for a suspension piece. Yes, the N-Link spec says 81 inch-pounds. To me, that just does not seem possible, but that's in several sources all say the same thing. It's just weird because everything else is 20 to 140 foot-pounds, which makes sense for suspension. You want stuff tight. I don't see how basically 7 foot-pounds is enough for something that's bouncing up and down like that, but I don't know. That's what everything says, so I'm gonna leave that for now.